Hi everyone, I'm going to do a walkthrough of my Our Magical Adventure book for Disney lovers. So this is part of a challenge from the 2020, let me see if I can get it right, Disney in September 2020 PHA Challenge. So I have this as the cover. It's even interactive. This little viewfinder thing actually goes around. I don't know if you can see the glitter under the magic, and these are dimensional. So I just added a couple of different elements to the cover. Then inside there is this. This is held into the magnet, and so is this. And inside the pocket is a cute little journaling card. On each page there is a pullout. It is 5.5 by 5.5, so you can put pictures in it. You can put 4x4 pictures or cut down 4 by 6. So this, another spot for a picture. Same here. This is just a little booklet, so you can put a couple of photos right there. And there's the photo mat. This opens like this and reveals a pocket with a great journaling card. And this just comes down, room to journal on both sides of that, and there we go for that. This has just a cute little pocket here on the side with another journaling card, and then here's a good spot to put the photos of the day. So there we go, and of course the hidden pocket. Now this fits a lot. So there's a couple of pockets here with 4x4 journaling cards there, and a 4x6 photo mat there, or photo mat or journaling cards. This one, because I don't know if you know, but with this paper collection, you get so much. Oh, I didn't put that. So these all open up. And then this comes out like that. And this goes like that. I mean, don't you love these cameras? I love this black and white and red. I just think it looks fabulous together. This is held together with a little clip, and it opens like that. So room to journal and room to put your photos. And here's another little pocket with yet another journaling card. And this opens like that. There's a pocket there, and a 4x6 photo mat. And on the final page, this just opens up to give you more room for photos. And then this is a cute little waterfall. And there we go. So that is my Our Magical Adventure mini album as part of the Disney in September PHA 2020 challenge. I'll put exactly what it is in the description box below. Thanks for watching.